Ever wondered about the significant role nature plays in our mental well-being? Mental health, a vital part of our overall wellness, often gets overlooked, yet nature stands as a gentle reminder of peace and tranquility, a sanctuary for our busy minds. Activities like gardening immerse us in the rhythm of life, helping to reduce stress and improve mood. It's a beautiful symbiosis, isn't it? Indeed, the power of nature to heal and rejuvenate is immense. But how exactly does gardening fit into this equation? Gardening, a seemingly simple task, holds the potential to be a natural therapy. It's not just about digging, planting, and watering. There's a deeper connection that happens when our hands touch the soil. This grounding effect can help to anchor us in the present moment, allowing us to focus on the task at hand and momentarily set aside our worries. Moreover, the physical activity involved in gardening isn't just good for the body, it's also beneficial for the mind. The act of bending, lifting, and stretching can help to release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, contributing to our overall physical and mental health. And let's not forget the satisfaction that comes from nurturing and watching something grow. Whether it's a plant, a flower, or a vegetable, seeing the fruits of our labor can instill a sense of accomplishment and purpose. So it's clear that gardening can offer a substantial boost to our mental health. But how can you start to incorporate it into your life? Starting a gardening habit may seem daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. Locate a suitable space, select easy-to-grow plants, and dedicate daily time to care for them. Start small, then gradually expand your green thumb. Every journey starts with a single step, and your journey towards better mental health through gardening can start today. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a pathway to better mental health. Remember, embracing nature through gardening can significantly boost your wellness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening and wellness tips.